Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making soft, fluffy and super easy eggless banana chocolate pancakes. A perfect treat for breakfast or a quick snack. No eggs, no fuss, no complicated steps, just a few simple ingredients and you are good to go. Let's get started. Here's what we need. 2 ripe bananas, 1 cup wheat flour. If you prefer, you can use maida or all-purpose flour. But I personally love using wheat flour, so that's what I'm taking. 2 tablespoons of hot chocolate powder for that rich chocolatey taste. 2 tablespoons of jaggery powder or sugar or honey, whichever you like for sweetness. 1/4 teaspoons of baking powder to make the pancakes light and fluffy. Half teaspoon vanilla essence for extra flavor. And milk just enough to get the right batter consistency. Now take all these ingredients, add them to a mixture jar. Pour in the required amount of milk and blend everything into a smooth batter. Once blended, transfer the batter into a bowl. Now add a few drops of vanilla essence . And the baking powder. Give it a good mix so that everything is well combined. Now let's cook. I am using a 7-round non-stick pan, so I can make multiple mini pancakes at once. But if you are using a regular pan, you can make them one by one and they will turn out just as great. Grease the pan with a little butter. And pour the batter into each round. By the way, if you are enjoying this recipe, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel and leave a blue heart in the comments. It really helps me out. And if you try this recipe, do share your feedback. Let them cook on one side until small bubbles appear. And gently flip them over and cook the other side. And that's it. Our eggless banana chocolate pancakes are ready. Soft, chocolatey and absolutely delicious. If you like, drizzle some honey on top and enjoy.